Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The group of 7 nations, the US, Japan, Germany, Britain, France, Italy and Canada, and the European Union, are working hard to set a price cap on Russian oil. The expected price range would be about $40 to $60 a barrel. Stubbornly high inflation has Wall Street worried that the Federal Reserve will respond by raising interest rates until the United States tumbles into recession, taking the weakening global economy with it. The value of the Canadian dollar fell to its lowest point in nearly 2 years, adding further pressure on Canadians already squeezed by high inflation and the possibility of a global recession. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 2.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil gained 0.8% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The US NAHB Housing Market Index will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The Eurozone's construction output will be released at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's National Consumer Price Index at 2330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.